Was woo! It's your boy Top Boy Stuff Archer back in the building, and this is a brand new channel. This is my first video. Kind of excited because I've always wanted to like just restart my channel and like just do everything all over again. But the twist to this is this is strictly about Forex. So all my Forex lovers out there that like to take trades, that like to jump in the market, guess what? Come right here and tune in, tap in, subscribe to my channel, show me some love because I'm going to go win. We could probably build accounts together. We could learn together. We're going to trade together, and I'm not going to lie. I've been watching some of these dudes. We're going to go on we're going to go and talk about some of these characters too. I'm sorry. I'm going to do it because cats is front. They front. But anyway, I wanted to stream on my first one, but for some reason I don't know how to work this OBS stuff, man. I don't know how to do all that. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm recording this, and then we're gonna upload it, and y'all do what y'all do. All right. So let's get right into it. As you can see, yeah, I'm also promoting my software for those of you that got businesses, stuff like this. I have Facebook software. I'll try. Well, hit me up. I might leave a link in the description. Go check it. I don't know what I'm going to do. All right, this is strictly for Forex. Straight like that. All right, so let's get into it, y'all. Let's get into it. This is XRP. Um, man, you want to know what's so crazy is because you see this? You see this? Man, my ratio was crazy here. Okay, my ratios is crazy. You see it? It was a 13 to a 78 ratio. Like, do you see the pippage on this? And look what happened. It wicked in and then dropped. Guess what? I didn't take the trade. I marked it up. I didn't take the trade. It's a few of them like that. I'm not even going to lie to you. It's a few of them like that where I marked it up and I didn't take the trade. But this one was recent. This was the other day. I marked it up, and I didn't take the trade. Just like this one, I marked it up, but I'm definitely going to take the trade on this one. But it's actually looking like this is gonna get and plummet. But if it can wick up like it did this, I'll take it from right here, from the highs of right here. Or I could do it from right here. I can do it from right here, whatever the case may be. Me, I'm starting to learn a couple of things from Forex. So, right here, if you're looking right now, we got a little bit of divergence right here. We got a little bit of divergence right here. I don't really like indicators, but I was introduced to this indicator right here, and I like it. I like it. It makes me more aware of the market a little bit, and it just helps me out. So I use this one. So as you can see, we got divergence right here. So me per se, this is the end stop right here for me. I would have for me to continue buying. Selling. It would have to break below here. It would have to break below here, and if it break below here, we in trouble. We in trouble. On a higher time frame, and you can see break below here, we in trouble. We're gonna keep dropping. Okay, we're gonna keep dropping. This was my markup. I marked it up like this. Instead of it going straight back up and dropping, it just straight up dropped, pull back. Now it's dropping. So I marked it up. So here's my exit. My exit is probably here. 17 cent. And then pushing up for the push up. Well, we're gonna see what happens. We're gonna see what happens here. This is crypto. I don't really trade crypto like that. I like to play around with it. All right. We'll go to Euro USD. I took some trades last week. All right, I took some trades last week. Me being greedy, I took a Bitcoin trade and it messed me up. All right, it messed me up. I'm not even gonna lie. But as you can see, you know, I always mark up my stuff, put logos and stuff. As you can see, market drop, pull back, and then I marked it up right around these zones. Okay, and then the drop, pull back, boom, minute trade, then drop. Okay, nice little drop. Oh yeah, I didn't take these trades either. I just marked it up. Here go again. Drop, pull back, drop. Um, this one I took. Okay. This one I believe I took. I'll just have to get. I think this one I took. So I'm just waiting for this to break below. And as you can see, I got a butterfly pattern that's forming right now. Okay. For those of you that know anything about harmonics, I trade harmonic patterns. I don't need no scanner or nothing like that. I am the scanner. So yeah, I'll be waiting for breaks below this low right here, and then I'll be looking to get in the trade. I wouldn't touch this because like I said, I already marked this up. If I go back on a high time frame, okay, see, marked this up already. So here we go. I'll show you the pattern here. Show you the pattern right here. On, on, on. There you go. That's my exit. So I'm actually waiting for the market to push down there, and then I'm in the trade for a nice buy. And when I get in that trade, I'm probably gonna be in that trade to right because I already marked it up right about this zone right here for 934 pips. And I'll probably stay in that trade and not even touch it. And then I'll open up another account and then I'll start loading up on that all the way up. You know, I don't got no mentor. Feel what I'm saying? This is why I created this channel right here because I don't have no mentor. So I'm actually like trying to reach out to other traders so we can trade together. I can make some money with you. You can make some money with me. Whatever, however we're doing it. You know, these guys they got all these programs. They got all these one shot deals. You get it, and then it's pure bullshit. I do this on my own, man. Straight up, I'm doing fine. Doing fine, man. Straight up. It's bossed up, man. We bossed up. We don't need nobody. We don't need nobody. You know what I mean? So that's Euro USD. Another one I think I was trading was CAD JPY. And this one I actually want to get into on a nice little pullback. See here, I have it marked up already. But I want this thing to pull back. I want this thing to pull back. 4 hour setup. Let's see what it's looking like. 822. What am I saying? Okay. So 822. I was like 2 weeks ago. Right here. 4 hour setup. Wait for market to come here. And then look for the sale, buddy. Big sale coming. Yep, that's what's happening. Big sale coming. That's why I put that there. Yeah, boom. See, boom. It rejected. I didn't take the trade. I'm being honest. I didn't take the trade. But you guys see it. These other guys, they make all this money, but you don't know how they make. They're using all these robots and stealing other people's stuff. Man, I'm not with all of that stuff, man. Because whatever you doing, if it's working for you, it should be able to work for me. Straight up. Whatever you doing should work for me. That's what I'm saying. So y'all traders be capping. It's only a few of y'all that's actually making money. And then the one that's making money, y'all don't want to teach nobody. Y'all want me to buy y'all course for like $500, $600, $1,000. And then I might even have the money. I might even have the money and pay for that shit. But then you know what? It'd be bullshit when I get it. Yep, be bullshit. So it rejected off of here for how many pips? 100 pips. We're on my own. I don't ask nobody, beg nobody. It's on my own. These are my own trades. And I'm doing it on YouTube. This is no edit. That's why I wanted to do it live. Because I don't want nobody to say I'm this and I'm that. I'm authentic from the door. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. There's nothing wrong with that. Feel me? I know I got a trend line here though. Feel me? All right, so I did CAD, JPY, XRP. Let's go down. Did I did AUD, USD? I think I played with it or something like that, man. But this honestly, this is looking like a harmonic pattern right here about to form. So I'm kind of glad I'm on this shit. Look like I don't know if it is. Uh-oh, what was going on here? Oh, see? Yep, my zones. That's what it was. So you see this area here? That's why the fibs is there. I'm not stupid. I leave everything. I leave everything. So I'll come back and see. Look, that was my sell move. Look at that. I didn't take the trade. This is why I'm like, you know what? I just stopped playing around with this shit. I'm pretty good. I'm really pretty good. I just need to chill. I'm pretty good. Hit my zones. Look, hit my zones. It's hitting my zones. I marked that up before before the market closed. Look, you see it. This is crazy. How many pips? Putting this up on YouTube. I don't care. For 130, 150 pips. I want to show y'all a trader. I thought he was a trader, and then I pressed him. But we're gonna use that for another video. We're gonna see how much. Like this video, man. Like this video. Word, show me some love. I need 1,000 likes. I need 1,000 likes. For real. Need 1,000 likes. Y'all showing love to all these other weirdos. So y'all can show love to this weirdo right here. You see something. This. Tell us. So now, I'm just trying to check something out right quick, y'all. Shout out to Billionaire. Word up. Shout out to Billionaire, man. Look like we got one, baby. Yeah, look like we got one, baby. Look like we got one, baby. Everything, all my zones and stuff is marked up for a reason. For a reason. And we're gonna take these trades. We're gonna take these trades because I'm tired of not winning. Yeah, I'm tired of not winning. So this is what we're gonna do. That's the entry. That's the entry. We'll change that color. Ain't that a green? Wow. It's a green. Wow. Oh, here. Either or. Either or. I'll take it from here. Either or will be fine. Yeah, either or will be fine. So we're gonna do it like that. Entry. I don't know what these other lines are for. Support resistance lines. So I'm gonna have to get rid of them because it's starting to fill up my stuff. I don't need them no more. So we're just gonna get rid of that stuff right there. And whatever I did, and as you can see, is respecting everything. You know, this is I did this before the market closed, so this is definitely a win-win. This is a win-win. You know what I mean? Put it right here. Smashed. Boom. Okay, so now this is actually a sharp pattern. So what's happening right now? We're about to see some major, major, major rejection off of this level here. Major rejection. Okay, so right now I'm setting up right now for some targets. Yeah, I'm about to set for some targets. Okay, so look, got this. Okay, all right. It's my exit. Exit here. The blue one is about exit right here. Yeah, exit right there. That, that. Okay. All right, so yeah, so that's what we got going on right now. This is my target. Set it up here. About to go for 143 pips. Under this low here, that'll be the stop, right? Let's drop down to a 15-minute. Spread this bit. Yeah. I'm going further than that. Anywhere here, I'll be putting my stops. So this is the first one. First one. And drop down. This thing was like, all right, here we go. There we go. Great. All right, so we got a bunch of fake outs and stuff down here. What I like to do, I like to be down below all that, make sure I don't get spanked. Feel me? So this will be my first one. This will be my first one, right? To get into. But I think those are imbalance areas. Let me see. Yeah, we got an imbalance area there, right there. So price can push down a little further. So we're gonna be out the way here. I'll say there. Second. Um, um, Second, not take profit. Stop loss. Second stop loss. You know what I mean? So that's when the time comes, I can like really, really look and see where do I want to really put my stop loss at. Okay. That way I don't make no mistakes, but everything is already set. Oops. Everything is already set. So yeah, as you can see, on a 15-minute time frame, this thing is ready to start dropping. Okay. On the up and up, it can pull up because I have imbalanced areas here and then give me a big drop here as well. Okay. And as you can see, it's still pushing up here, still pushing up, still pushing up. So pushing up, probably get into the trade and take it down. A nice little 50 pips, 50 pip move. Beginning of the week, that's if you hungry, you know. Some people don't like to trade on the on those days. So now See where I got my lines? Now I can properly set up my stop loss, just adjust it and see what I'm working with. I'm saying, see what I'm working with, but I gotta go on a high time frame. All right, 3-1. And that's good. I'll push this bad boy up some more. Feel me? Now this is an excellent trade. Feel me? But you know, we gonna have to just wait it out and see what happens because you don't want to be too hasty in these trades. So I marked it up. So I already know within tonight, come back here and see where this market is at, you know, and make my move from there. Okay. GJ. GJ was smashing last week too. GJ was smashing last week. See what happened right here? I think I took this trade. I think I took this trade. I took this trade. And GJ smashing. Look. No, this one I didn't take. I think I took one of these over here. But you see, when I don't take the trade, look, right into my zone. Boop, drop. Boop, drop. These traders don't show you this shit. I've been watching a lot of you motherfuckers. Y'all don't show this. Y'all don't show this stuff. Y'all don't show this stuff. Got me figuring and wondering what the hell are you really doing? Selling videos. Yeah, selling videos. Some of you guys are really good teaching and stuff. You other guys are just hummer stunting. Silva. Look. I marked it up. Look. It slipped right away. Look what happened right here. Smash. Look. I'm telling you. Look right here. Look. I show you no bullshit. I didn't take none of these trades. I didn't take these trades. I just marked it up and let it fly. Missed my entry. Look, hit my entry. Let me see if I actually put one of them things in there because I don't even know. I could be in trades right now. I don't even know because I do some stupid, crazy stuff like that sometimes. Just put it in and don't even mess with it. I didn't touch nothing. I ain't touched nothing. Okay, but as you can see, look. This one I lost. You can see this one I lost. It ain't go nowhere. This one right here. It was supposed to come back. It was supposed to shoot up and then I was supposed to sell. So that both of them, ain't nothing happened. This happened. It ignited, but it still dropped. And then look, again, it happened again. And this is why actually this is the trade that I was in last week. I caught 100 I took it all the way from the bottom to the top. And I jumped out on Friday. This is gold, yeah. So I caught it like 100 some pips on gold last week. This I took last week. Yep, 100 almost 200 pips. I took this trade. This one I took out. I jumped out on like what 2-3 o'clock on Friday. So now we have a rejection. I'm about to jump back in there again. Because we're going to the top. We're going back up. This is a reverse. I believe this is a reverse. This is more than just a reaction and stuff. I think this is a reverse. Reverse. Or it could be dropping. I could be wrong. And dead ass, it could be dropping. I should be jumping in straight probably. You know what I'm saying? Because that would be crazy if it drops and it keeps on dropping until down here. So what I'm going to do, I'm not touching it. Feel me? I'm tired of making stupid decisions, and then now I'm making this YouTube video. So I'm not gonna be making dumb decisions like that no more. Well, I'm not gonna say that, but I'm gonna try my best to stop. And Bitcoin. Most of you Bitcoins are Bitcoin lovers, right? I tell people all the time, listen, if you're going to trade, or no, if you're going to mess with these coins, you should have a friend that knows how to trade. Because if you are one of the ones that say, oh, Bitcoins is going up because you just think so, you are a fool. I could show y'all a story. I'll show you a story with oil. Okay. This is what happened with oil. Okay. This is a true story. It's still marked up like the rest of my charts. Feel me? Look at this. Now watch. Watch this shit. Now, it was May of 2021. I'm gonna show you guys. You guys gonna stop messing with these characters, man, because that's all they are characters, man. This is when I realized that I had something, and then um, I should really pay attention to what I'm doing and just follow. And I've just been following ever since. Look, I found this trade. Okay. It was at the C mark. And I went on Facebook and this guy was like, oh, Bitcoin is dropping. I mean, not Bitcoin. Oil is dropping, it's dropping, it's dropping. And something just popped in my head like, oil, we got charts. Because I remember I was in class. One of the instructors is a female. She loves oil. And she used to always trade it. And I used to always not trade it because it's volatile, right? You don't gotta have money for that. So I used to get mad when she used to like try to trade it and stuff. Cause I was still new. I'm like, damn, I can't trade that shit. But I remembered it. I said, hold up, oil, right? So I go to my chart, and it was right around this time. Dead serious. It was right around this time. The rest of the market wasn't even made yet. So I say, yo, bro. I said, this thing is not gonna drop, bro. This thing is gonna buy. He said, no, man, it's gonna drop, it's gonna drop, it's gonna drop, man. Oil about to be cheap. I said, nah, bro. I took the screenshot, I put it on the Facebook, I put it on the group, and I gave it to him, right? But the interesting thing, right? Interesting thing I'm gonna show you guys was this. I went to a higher time frame. And then look what I found. Look what I found. I found a huge, huge harmonic pattern. And then this is what happened. Where's the bar play? I gotta go back down. Oh, it's down here, right? So as time is going, and I realize, I'm like, yo, this thing didn't hit my zone. And then look what it did. Do. I would have been a millionaire. I would have been a millionaire. From when I seen this part happen, I said maybe it was luck. See, maybe it was luck, right? Until we got to right around this area exactly, and I say, yo, that joint is almost at my harmonic entry. Look, possible entry. Look what happened. Look at the rejection. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. Well, and it keep on going up. And I'm like, yo, that joint really gonna hit my entry. But then it blew past it. See, that was a little short little thing, right? Blew past it. Kept on going up, kept on going up, kept on going up. And is that where we at right now? And that's exactly where we at right now. Okay. So now, this is where we at now. What do you think is gonna happen? It's gonna keep on dropping. Possible entry here, right? It's going possible entry here to shoot back all the way up. We up out of here because oil is going up. So once this thing was doing this, and I started really realizing, I said the charts is powerful, which brings me now to Bitcoin, and then we up out of here. On a monthly scale, look at Bitcoin. People said, "Oh, it's going to be at 100,000." I marked this shit up a long time ago, from last year when it was up here. I said, "Nah, we're going back down." You know how far we going back down? We going back down to like 12,000. Mm-hmm. This is the zone. Once it comes into the zone, you guys better be ready to buy. I'm so serious. You better be ready to buy and hold. You're about to be a millionaire. I know I am because I want to be free. But once we come in this zone and play in this zone, listen, when this thing take off, it's out of here. Ain't no coming back. Feel me? Ain't no coming back. So um yeah, that's where we at with this Bitcoin right now. But I actually got some trades that I'm actually looking to take. And we can go over them real quick before I let you guys go, because been on here mad long. This is gonna take forever to load up on YouTube, and it is what it's gonna be. This is on the hour time frame. 4 hour. Look at this. Look at these trades I missed, y'all. I'm so mad. Like, look at this. Look at this tight entry right here. These are real. Listen, look at these are real trades I took. I was about to take. I never took the. I'm scared of Bitcoin. Every time I take the trade, I jump out too early and I lose. I always lose. I be scared. But I marked this shit up. I woke up and I'm like, boom, we right here. I'm like, yo. I'm like, oh hell nah. Man, consolidate, consolidate, consolidate. I marked it up for entry right here. You see it almost came up, but then just dropped. So I got another one for right here and never pulled all the way up. And then we had a I think that was a harmonic pattern right there you're looking at on a 5-minute time frame. Here's that pattern now. There we go. Here right here. Boom. And then bought. And then I had two entries. I had two entries. Look what happened. Boom. Boom. I didn't take these trades, yo. I got tired of doing this shit and then seeing, look, boom, boom. These are big trades, y'all. Not gonna lie, these are big trades. These are big trades. Look how many pips that is. It's a lot of pips, 600 pips. Like, look at this. It's about to come back into my zones. Okay. About to come back into my zones. I gotta pick a spot. That's the thing. So we have this. Got this one right here. Boom. Okay. Got that one right there. It's in the zone already. It's in the zone already. It's already in. So in this situation, I would wait. I'll wait to see if I get a bearish candle down. Because look, I already have my trend line here. It's probably like an hour trend line, right? So it's a possibility that it might not break that trend line. When I look left, I got imbalance zones. I got one right here to right here. That's why this is there. This whole area. But this thing could come all the way up to the top where this would be a perfect, excellent spot to get in and drop and take the market down. So I think I'm just gonna wait. I don't have anything that I want to jump into right now. Stop the share on that. I don't have anything I want to do right now, but like I said, look forward to more of my videos. Comment below. Tell me what you want to see, what peers you want me to look up. Stuff like this, man. It's time to interact. Let me know what's going on and what you think. All right. On that note, I'm going to get ahead and end this live. If you do have a business, like I said, I have a agency, bossed up automation and marketing software that you can use for your Facebook platform to do everything autopilot as far as looking for leads to get more sales. All right. You just got to take a look. It's so many tools I have. you can take a look and you can see for yourself what I have. All right. Everything's a reasonable price and stuff like that. All right. Boss up or continue to get bossed around. You know I'm bossed up to live a good life.